The session was really engaging, insightful, the way he speaks and the way he comes across to his audiences. It's really moving but also inspirational at the same time. I just think he's been able to make really good relationships with our students. He resonates with the staff. There's an empathy there and there's an understanding from our students to say the journey that he's been on is not something different to what they've been on as well.
Output. What does the output mean? That's your habits, your routines and the effort that you're putting in.
He's worked with us for a number of years, worked with a number of students for a number of years, and it's somebody that the students trust and respect, and we also trust and respect as well.
If you do what's hard now, the next 10 to 15 years will be a little bit easier for you.
If there's another school wants to speak to me about Cameron, I'll be saying to them, this is what he can bring, this is the nature of the man that you're going to get. It's not just about a quick fix, it's overall, and he wants to work with schools going forward. He wants to help schools going forward. And also the students who is his core business, is helping and supporting the students to achieve as much of their full potential as possible.